How funny I should see you here today, Butterfly, when I have so many butterflies in my tummy already.
Oh no! Have you been eating my brothers and sisters? Oh, whoa! Why would you eat butterflies?
Oh, Butterfly, that's not what I meant. I mean, my tummy feels like it's full of butterflies. Not that it really is.
Why would you look so sad and worried then? Butterflies are beautiful. Look at me.
You are beautiful, but it's what I'm thinking that is causing my tummy to feel all fluttery. My mommy told me that I'm going to be a big sister soon, and I'll have a new little brother. But I feel full of anxiousness because I have to share Mummy and Daddy with someone else.
Well, of course, now I can understand why your tummy would be feeling full of butterflies then. It can be difficult to cope with things changing like that.
But I do want to be happy and helpful, not worried or anxious. So maybe all these butterflies will fill me with loveliness, just like you are.
Yes, feelings can be confusing, and having butterflies flying around in your tummy is part of it. I'm sure you'll find that your new little brother will fill you and your family with love and joy. You'll see. Just like us butterflies do when we fly around you.
I hope so. Thanks for listening to me, Butterfly. I think I like being a big sister.